Chandrajit Banerjee, Jawahar Sarkar, representatives of Indian and international media entertainment industries, dignitaries on dais, and ladies and gentlemen. मुझे बहुत खुशी हुई आज यहाँ आकर, लेकिन जैसे चंद्रजीत बैनर्जी ने बताया, मैंने कहा, मैं डायरी निकाला, मैंने पीएस को पूछा सीआईए के कार्यक्रम में हम कितनी बार गए, तो इतनी बार गए तो मैं सीआईए का ही डायरेक्टर हूँ क्या, ऐसा मुझे लगने लगा। तो इसलिए मैंने आप कहा थोड़ा राशन करेंगे, लेकिन आज मुझे बहुत खुशी हुई, और खुशी इस बात की हुई कि इंडिया एंटरटेनमेंट एंड मीडिया आउटलुक इज अ वेरी स्लिक एंड गुड बुक, एंड द रोल and the rule of law, a legal handbook of Indian media and entertainment, very important. मैं कॉपीराइट का बिल जब तैयार हो रहा था, when that was getting ready, we scrutinized through the parliament committees. Sometimes we denigrate our own institutes, or media also does political bashing. That parliaments are getting disrupted, parliaments don't work. But actually, if you see the working in the committees, standing committees, it is so serious a business that for Copyright Act, we conducted at least 19 meetings of 3 to 4 hours duration. Only 20-25 members are there. We debated each and every provision in details. We listened to all stakeholders, and ultimately we'll come out with a report which actually changed the whole bill actually, and made it possible, even in HRDs and many other laws. Every time, now he is going there in a committee, and Jawahar Sarkar said that now I am going for a grilling session.
Second book is...
Yes, but as I was recently in the opposition and we used to grill, so I have given the tips how to face the grilling. आप सुनो सबके सजेशन और सब करो अच्छा, लेकिन I can tell you these deliberations are so thorough that all citizens of the countries will be proud of their members of parliament. The unfortunate thing is this good part of the story doesn't come in the open. It doesn't come in the media because media is not allowed there. But if media we allow in the committees, then committees will not perform the way they are performing today, because then the whole thing will be addressing the press. And then it will be a different take. So you will find the replica of what happens in parliament on the floor of the house in Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. So this is how the things happen. So sometimes media presence is good, media presence sometimes is not good. So we can do with both. But today's issue, मुझे जब आपने कहा मोनेटाइजेशन का आज चर्चा करेंगे, I was so happy because I recalled 1998-99 when the IT was a sunrise industry, and we were aiming at $50 billion monetization of IT industry. And that time Atalji used to say as a Prime Minister, IT is not income tax, IT is not just information technology, but it is India today. And so that was the confidence with which we started, and we became the superpower in a way, in at least software, some kind of software skills. Because still my pain is different. I'm really unhappy over the progress of IT industries where we are a leading nation, but still we have not created Facebook. We have not come out with Twitter. We have not come out with many other things which we are using, not even with WhatsApp and many other things. Google, leave alone the Windows and everything, so all systems, browsers. These are the companies which have gained really. We have not done iPhones, iPads. And I was telling the other day, might be in other CIA meeting, I told I was with Steve Jobs in 98 for 2 days, and I saw his passion. When he was talking that when the phone was simple phone, only SMS calling and hearing, but that time he was telling that here will be an handheld, which will be camera, which will be music, which will be TV, which will be everything. It will be email, it will be whatnot. And it has become reality. So the smartphone he visualized that time, which to comprehend even it was not possible that time. So this is how you must think big. Low aim is crime. And therefore to say in 2014 that by 2020 our media and entertainment, which is already $50 billion industry, will grow only double is not correct. Let us understand, we have a tremendous scope. We have tremendous scope. We must aim high, put new figures to it. Because who thought in 1992 when the cable TV started that so many crores of households will be connected? But they got connected. Who thought that people will be ready to pay anything between 200 and 500 rupees per month for entertainment? But people are paying. The poor is paying. क्योंकि हम समझते नहीं, जैसे लोगों की जरूरत है रोटी, कपड़ा और मकान, वैसी ही नेक्स्ट जरूरतें हैं स्वास्थ्य, शिक्षा और मनोरंजन. तीनों चाहिए. तो ये 6 चीजें हैं जो आदमी को जरूरत है. People are ready to spend on मनोरंजन, or people are ready to spend there, and therefore $100 billion is not a big thing which will attract. It can be even more ambitious target, and we can achieve it. किसने सोचा था कि एक एक फिल्म 200 करोड़ का बिजनेस करेगी? नहीं सोचा था, लेकिन अभी वर्ल्ड राइट्स में ही ज्यादा पैसा आ रहा है और ज्यादा बढ़ेगा. कल हमने चाइना के साथ ट्रीटी की है, को प्रोडक्शन ट्रीटी. तो को प्रोडक्शन ट्रीटी में, and as he was rightly telling that China has 22,000 screen, but he told me that 20,000 screen is only in cities. In rural China, there are 80 million shows which they perform through different technologies. So there is tremendous scope for entertainment all over the world. And now it's a global film, it's a global music, it's a global world, it's a global village, and there are many actors crisscrossing countries and acting in the films. Music is interchanging. Everything has a global stamp on it. And therefore, the themes also are becoming newer, fresh. Now today I'll fly in the night to New York. And my New York jaunt is always, because I don't get time to see movies here, so whatever backlog, I do it in the travel. So I'll do it today. But this is how we should think big about the whole media and entertainment industry. अभी मैं गोवा में गया था पिछले सप्ताह में, 3-4 दिन पहले. We have made Goa International Film Festival's permanent venue. The permanent venue is a starting of branding of our Indian International Film Festival. And when we brand, we want marketers to come there. It must become, and I have yesterday invited Chinese delegation because they met me separately after signing the treaty. And I have invited them, and they have promised that their high-level delegation consisting of good producers, good market team, good directors, good actors, actresses, and all will be coming as a high-level delegation to participate in Goa. And this is I'm not doing for China alone, though it's a focus here this year, but we will be doing it for all others also. So we'll make it. People say, will you make it like Cannes? I said, we'll make it Goa Film Festival, which will be the real benchmark for the world. That's what we should aim at. And we will make it happen with the cooperation of everybody. So we can make it. With Chinese also, and with 10 countries, we have already done these co-production treaties. When they come, I am now suggesting them come more frequently to hold shootings in India. Because if you do shoot it, it's a tremendous attraction also. So it gets bundled into tourism also. So tourism, shootings, media, entertainment, all intertwined makes a life easier, makes life more interesting, and makes a sense of business also. So all these put together can do it. You have raised 2-3 issues. Let me tell you. there is some confusion about our announcement of digitization of third phase and fourth phase. Let me tell you that digitization will not start at the end of the 2015. The third phase will start somewhere on, say on 1st April, we'll take final call on it, but it's a 1st April, we will start the third phase, and by the end of year, we will complete it. So that's the big thing we will bring in on the table, and we'll make necessary clarifications also if necessary. The fourth phase will be start immediately after completion of this third phase, and the fourth phase will start. And I will make a committee, small committee consisting of all stakeholders, so that we are not delaying, because we want digital India to happen. हर ग्रामीण व्यक्ति का भी अधिकार है कि उसको डिजिटल प्रेजेंटेशन मिलना चाहिए, उसको डिजिटल व्यूइंग होना चाहिए. लेकिन मैंने अभी नागपाल से बात कर रहा था, तो मैंने कहा कि आपको सेट टॉप बॉक्स को, मैंने कहा लोग पहले विरोध क्यों करते थे. पहले जब कैश आया तो लोगों का विरोध का एक कारण ये भी था कि आपका बिजनेस होगा, इसलिए मैं क्यों 1000 रुपये खर्च करूंगा, मैं व्यूअर हूं तो मुझे क्यों, लेकिन मुझे डिजिटल प्रेजेंटेशन मिलेगा. उन्होंने कहा एक्चुअली बोले इसके लिए 5000 4000 रुपये का अच्छा सेट टॉप बॉक्स लगता है. तो सेट टॉप बॉक्स 4000, तो मैंने कहा एडवर्टीजमेंट करो कि 4000 रुपये की चीज़ हम आपको 1000 रुपये में दे रहे, तो कस्टमर को कुछ फायदा है वो बताओ, तो लोग आएंगे और लोग करेंगे. तो डिजिटाइजेशन इज ऑन ट्रैक, and we are completing in third phase in 15 and fourth phase in 16. That's what our commitment is, and we'll do necessary things. Second is about the news. Again, you said about FM. See, FM we are not interested. They are interested only, basically they started and they are popular even today because they are playing music all the way, and some DJs are good, some DJs are doing something else also, for which complaints come, but I am not into it. What I am saying is, FM radios will be allowed to, as far as your traffic jam experience is concerned, they are already allowed to transmit all kinds of information, all kinds of government announcements, all kinds of necessary information regarding all the functions and any other campaign which government or in the public interest is launched by the administration. So district administration decides that and you can access that. So there is no ban on dissemination of information. The issue is of the news. And as we have said, to start with, we are saying that air news, people thought that it has to be only clip from the air news. So air की जो बुलेटिन देते हैं उनके ही आवाज़ में वैसे का वैसा बुलेटिन का क्लिप दिखाना है. हमारे आकाशवाणी के अच्छे बोलते हैं. आकाशवाणी को एक जो क्रेडिबिलिटी मिली है ना, वो आवाज़ से भी मिली है, वो उसके स्टाइल से भी मिली है. तो जिसको चाहिए वो क्लिप भी ले सकते हैं, उसका हम चार्ज नहीं करेंगे. और जिसको क्लिप नहीं चाहिए और खुद के आवाज़ में डीजे को सब जो बोलना है और वो न्यूज़ देना चाहता है, तो एयर के बहुत सारे न्यूज़ हैं. ऐसा नहीं कि ऑल इंडिया रेडियो ओनली जो उनका प्रकाशित हुआ है, उनका एक न्यूज़ एजेंसी जैसा भी हम काम करेंगे. विल प्रोवाइड यू मोर एंड मोर न्यूज़ on the air terminal, and from there also you can take up news and go ahead. So that's the beginning point. When you start something, you start with a sense and then don't go to sensationalism in the first place. Start with a sense and then progress ahead as per experience. As far as piracy is concerned, that's a serious issue. As I told you, copyright and many other things are, we have really taken care to ensure that this piracy is anyhow stopped. Now with UFO and other companies doing the digital relay of films also, they have very effective technology for anti-piracy mechanism. We have also launched a heritage project. This was sanctioned in July 2014. There are tremendous amounts of films. The revised EFC proposal for 600 crore National Film Heritage Mission project to preserve India's filmic legacy was cleared by Expenditure Finance Committee in the Ministry of Finance on 3rd July 2014. The draft cabinet note is already there and everything. We are progressing as per time schedule and will be will be doing it. And I have ensured that because I live in Pune, so I have seen the film archive working. So every archiving effort must also sync and talk to each other. There has to be a compatibility, technical compatibility. Otherwise, what happened in Devanagari script on computers, that they were not talking to each other. They cannot, so we had to devise a separate software for that. And that time I called Devang to inaugurate that. So that was a freedom font. So we did it. Last but not least, when you are talking about monetization, let me also tell that we also aspire as GD and All India Radio. We have 3 lakh hours of fantastic archive with us, music and other programs. Tremendous archives on digital, and we are digitizing it. And we have already issued the expression of interest things. 6 companies have already shown interest. We'll mandate them to bring it 2,000 hours every year, at least in the market. And the best of the programs can be clubbed together, can be rebranded, and can be put on even the mobile app on Android and Google app store. We can bring it through app. People all over the world will love to listen to the music, will love to have the serials in their original format, because it is always a nostalgic experience. If we start seeing the Jine Bhi Do Yaro ya any other series which were very good serials, so people can see it on apps also. We are also onto that monetization drive. One day I think that with that monetization, I'll go to the FM and say that from this year, don't give me any budget. We are self-sufficient. We can give you more money. Thank you. That's the spirit with which we should go ahead.